welcome to my channel Lazy Fellows. I am your pharmabahen. Hello guys. In the series of completing jntuh University syllabus copies of pharmacy, let's complete the pharmacognosy department. In the pharmacognosy, we have phytochemistry, advanced pharmacognosy 1, modern pharmaceutical analytical techniques, drug regulatory affairs, pharmaceutical fit analysis, industrial pharmacognostical technology, pharmaceutical validation, cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, and research methodology IPR, pharmacology lab 1, and advanced pharmacognosy lab. In the semester 2, we have advanced pharmacognosy 2, herbal cosmetics, in the Indian system of medicine, pharmaceutical quality control, quality assurance, pharmacoepidemiology and pharmacoeconomics, medicinal plant biotechnology, nutraceuticals, clinical research and pharmacovigilance, advanced pharmacognosy 2 lab and herbal cosmetics lab 2. And in the third semester, that is second year first semester, we have herbal drug technology, stability of drugs and dosage forms, production area design and packing development. In the phytochemistry subject, we have first unit isolation, characterization, purification of the drugs, drug discovery and development, extraction, isolation methods of specific phytochemical groups, and sources, chemical structure, identification test, morphine and brief account in its analogues, derivations, and other derivatives, natural colorants, flavors, and perfumes. Next, we have advanced pharmacognosy 1. In this plant drug cultivation, general introduction to importance of pharmacognosy and post harvesting techniques and utilization of following medicinal aromatic plants, chemical pharmacological aspects of these type of categories of drugs, and marine pharmacognosy, new definitions of functional food and nutraceuticals, source names, marker compounds, phytopharmaceuticals, of these categories. Then we have modern pharmaceutical analytical techniques, introduction to chromatography, classification of chromatographics like column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, gas chromatography, HPLC, HPTLC, UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, and then we have drug regulatory affairs, drug regulatory aspects in India, good manufacturing, good manufacturing practices, detailed study of regulatory aspects, documentation related to the manufacturing and governing regulatory bodies across the globe. Next, we have food, pharmaceutical food analysis, carbohydrates, proteins, probiotics, lipids, vitamins, and general analytical methods, analysis of fermentation products, industrial pharmacognostical technology, herbal drug industry, regulatory requirements of settings, herbal drug industry, exports and imports, the brief account of companies making herbal drug formulations, monographs of herbal drugs, testing of natural products and drugs, stability testing, patents, pharmaceutical validation, introduction to qualification and validation, qualifications of analytical instruments, qualification of laboratory equipments, validation of utility systems, cleaning validation, methods, analytical method validation, cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, cosmetics regulatory definitions of cosmetics in India, cosmeceutical biology aspects, formulation building blocks, design and evaluation of cosmeceutical products, herbal cosmetics, and we have research methodology IPR, meaning of research problem, effective literature studies, effective technical writing, nature of intellectual property says patent rights, phytochemistry lab, advanced pharmacognosy lab, advanced pharmacognosy 2, adulterations and deterioration, parameters of herbal drugs, Standardization of parameters of herbal drugs, remedies, toxicity and regulation, vegetable bitters, vegetable laxatives, ethno, ethnobotany and ethnopharmacology, biological screening of herbal drugs, herbal cosmetics, introduction to herbal cosmetics, regulatory provisions, commonly used herbal cosmeceutical raw materials, processing and manufacturing of cosmetics, principles of quality control and herbal cosmetics, skincare products, hair care products, herbs in cosmetics, Indian system of medicine, introduction to indigenous medicines, Ayurvedic formulations and with their uses, naturopathy and yoga practices, a brief history, origin and development of homeopathy, principles of Unani and other different dosage forms of Unani formulations, and we have a pharmaceutical quality control and quality assurance, impurities and stability studies, impurities in new drug products, impurities in residual solvents, concepts of quality assurance, guidelines for quality assurance and human blood products, premises, equipments, packaging and labeling control, manufacturing and controls on dosage form, pharmacoepidemiology and pharmacoeconomics, pharmacoepidemiology methods, introduction to pharmacoeconomics, pharmacoeconomic evaluations, definition steps involved in applications, advantages, disadvantages of the following. Medicinal plant biotechnology. We have introduction to plant biotechnology, tissue culture techniques, micropropagation and medicine aromatic plants, immobilization techniques of plant cells, biotransformation, transgenesis, secondary metabolism in tissue culture with special emphasis. The nutraceuticals, definitions of food functions, definitions of functional foods and nutraceuticals, phytochemistry and nutraceuticals, introduction to free radicals, measurement of free radicals, antioxidants and food loss regulations and regulation claims, clinical research and pharmacovigilance, regulatory perspective of clinical trials types and designs, clinical trial documentation, bio aspects and terminologies, and establishment of pharmacovigilance methods, ADR reporting tools used in pharmacovigilance, advanced pharmacognosy tool lab, and herbal cosmeceutical lab. And these are the experiments. Herbal drug technology. In this, we have equipments preparing herbal extracts, definitions and classifications of natural excipients, methods and preparations of evaluation of herbal drug tablets, regulations, claims, and natural coolant, natural colorant, natural sweeteners, stability of drugs and dosage forms. In this, we have drug decomposition mechanisms, solid state decomposition, solid state chemical decomposition, identification of quantitative determination of preservatives, antioxidants, and colorants, and the general method of analysis to determine the quality of raw material, methods of analysis to determine the quality of cosmetics in the finished product, production area design and packing development, production area design, current good manufacturing practices, pharmaceutical packing and design, stability of packing, packing of solids, semi-solids, parenterals, ophthalmics and aerosols, English for the research paper writing,